Are you looking for a brand new community that's a mix of luxury and urban feel? Well, today we are in the brand new community of Rose Hill by Chesmar Homes, and we're gonna be checking out this model home you see here behind me. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey y'all, if you're brand new to the channel and you want to know everything there is about living in San Antonio, Texas, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you'll be the first to learn about the current market right here in San Antonio, Texas. My name is Brock, and I'm getting phone calls, texts, and emails all of the time for folks just like you who are looking to make a move to San Antonio, and I just love when that happens. So whether you're moving in the next 7 days or maybe the next 7 months, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, give me that phone call, shoot me a text, send me an email, do whatever you got to do to get in touch with me so I can help you and your family make a smooth move to San Antonio, Texas. Now again, we are in the brand new community of Rose Hill with Chesmar Homes here, and they've got a unique style of home that they're building in this community. If you look at some of the other Chesmar homes on my channel here, you'll see that they're more traditional single family homes, and again, these are some traditional ones, but it's got a unique layout here. They're 2-story homes. It's a very unique layout I haven't seen before. These homes also are kind of close together. They've got very minimal yard work to take care of whenever you are living in this house. Not many of these homes available in the community. So if you want more information on incentives, pricing, availability, please reach out to me so I can get you that information. But I want to go ahead and take you on inside so you can see. Okay, y'all, thank you so much for sticking around and checking out this unique model home with me by Chesmar Homes. Now, I know it's quite different than a lot of other neighborhoods out there. It's got a nice, unique, modern kind of style to it, as well as little to no yard, and it's very close to the neighbors. But I would like to know down below, is this a community? Is this a neighborhood that you could see yourself living in? Why or why not? Please drop your comments down below in the description so I can hear your thoughts. And more importantly, if you're thinking, hey Brock, this is the house for me, I'm very interested in moving forward, or maybe there's another house that's on your mind, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All my contact information is down below in the description for you, and I'd be more than happy to help you and your family scoop up an amazing deal on a house, whether it's this one or any other home out there. See, I've got a very good working relationship with a lot of the builders, including Chesmar Homes all over San Antonio. So sometimes I'm getting some pretty amazing deals that aren't advertised out to the public, and know some great things that are happening with these builders. So please use me to your advantage, put me in your corner, let me fight for you to get an amazing deal on a house. But with that, thank you again for watching the video. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon as well, so that you'll be the first to learn about the current market right here in San Antonio, Texas, as well as see some more amazing and beautiful homes all over the town. I'm going to be uploading videos every single week, and I don't want you to miss them. But with that, I hope you have an incredible day, and I can't wait to talk to you soon.